fabricate gates. We work with engineers and suppliers to develop solutions that best suit our customers' needs across North America. In North America, the needs of the security industries changed greatly, and where we've been focusing in is the high security locations such as militaries, Amazon, and a high security place where you need crash rated products and higher end products that we can work with engineers to design for our customers' needs. The No Way product and the tank system have proven to be very integral to our solutions that we've been developing in North America for the high security locations, such as Chicago Airport, Chicago Zoo, and even Facebook, as these are very data sensitive locations that cannot have people just driving in. Our list of references for high motions in North America is increasing every year, with successes in Toronto, Chicago, New York, Houston, Los Angeles, Seattle, and Vancouver. With every good year, with every good installation, we get more work, which is fantastic. The relationship with Avant Guard and High Motions began some 10 years ago with an invitation by the owner family, the Beninka family, to a cruise. And from there we established a relationship that worked well. They listened to my needs, or the needs of our customers in North America, and adapted the products to suit our requirements. It's extremely appreciated the relationship and continue to nurture this for the future. What allowed Avant Guard, Beninka, and High Motions to succeed in North America was the ability or desire for the Beninka family to allow us to make changes to products, especially special changes, designs, engineering, and allow us to order the quantities required to try the market, rather than ordering containers and containers of products where you didn't know if it would be successful. So it allowed us to adapt the products and make it work for us.